Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and making sure you are signed into the right Google account. This prevents blocking the wrong contact. Once done, go to the Home or People tab so you can access contacts and recent activity quickly. Make sure the phone number you want to block is visible in recent transactions or contacts. If not, copy it now. This first step puts you in the necessary screen and saves time when you begin the action. You now find the specific transaction or contact entry linked to that phone number and tap it to view details. Once the details open, look for the three-dot menu or the Contact Details section. That's where blocking or reporting controls live. Tap the relevant option and confirm you want to block that number. This removes their ability to request payments or contact you via Google Pay. If there are multiple accounts, make sure you repeat this for each account where the number appears. Finish by confirming the block. Return to the contact or people list and verify the number shows as blocked or restricted. If you don't see a block option, make sure the app is updated and restart it. Alternatively, sign into Pay. Google, to block or report from the web. If blocking fails or transactions continue, contact Google support and report the number as fraudulent so they can investigate and protect your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.